Billy Ball. Hey guys, welcome to my video. It's gonna be another one in a range, delivering Poe's oatcakes at the farm. Cause Auntie Dorothy wants some. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. Well, what are you doing?
It's you too.
These are calves here. These are cows. And look down this row. There's all these cows. They're baby cows and calves. So, if you look behind us, you can see all the straws. But if you look on top, this. So we're in a cow farm here, and look at all that. What's there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 29. I'm sorry, 29, 30, and 31, and then 32, and then 33. Black cows. These are black cows and white cows. Boys are girls. That one's a boy, and that one's a girl, and that one's a boy. Billy Ball. Oh, that's Billy Ball. Like Billy Ball. I'm just gonna pick up this. Is he gonna pick this up?
Yeah.
So, this is a tractor. Well, like a beat horns. You can turn on, but I don't know how to. How do we turn it on, Daddy? seatbelt. And we always have to have a seatbelt for being brave. Be safe. I like being on the farm because it's all nice. This is the baby cars. Here it is. This is milking parlour. Built the cows to make some milk. This.
Which bit?
These do.
Do they?
Yes, they do.
And where does the milk go?
The milk goes in here, connected into here.
Doesn't it go in here?
Yes, it does.
It goes into there.
It goes into there and then it goes all the way up there to there. But there is all of these though. All the milk goes
In this big tank.
in this big tank. But we can climb up. See what's special up. Just these things. I have seen 4 tractors. So that's the bull right there. You can see the bull. But we have to go somewhere because the bull will maybe might chase us and be upset. So this is an electric fence to keep the cows in and the bull. But they might jump over it. Or they could duck under it. The hook on will let us in and out. So these are Sturks and teenage cows. They're out in the field grazing. And then, let's go. Let's go down. This is not marshmallows. This is silage. We also use tyres on a clamp. I don't use them anymore. I'm going for recycling. These are some more calves. They're Friesians, but they have prize on them. Prize tags. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.